I am loving this shirt. It's so cute and comfy. Ugh. I don't really know if I'm feeling my hair though. I don't know. Trying new things.
Hey fam! Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Amanda coming at you with a unboxing video. I am so excited. But before we get into that, if you haven't already, hello, hit that subscribe button and join the fam. And if you really want to keep up to date, follow me on all my socials. I try to keep them pretty exciting, if I do say so myself. But let's be real, I can't even think straight right now because there is literally a huge package here. I'm gonna turn it around so my address isn't there. Huge package full of maybe footwear, maybe not, I don't know. Let's check it out. And like I said in my previous video, I was holding on to my willpower for dear life because this was sitting here for a few days since I got back from my holiday trip. And oh my gosh, I love shoes. So it took a lot out of me to not, oh my goodness, unbox this. Oh wow, this bag is so tough. I can't even cut it with the scissors. Oh my gosh. There we go. I'm done with the scissors. Let's just rip into this. Okay, so there is 2 boxes. Oh my gosh, I am so excited. So there is a little bit, oh, get up, okay. There is a little bit of a twist here. So I had a ton of credits from Shoe Dazzle because unfortunately there was a little bit of an issue a while ago with some things. So they actually gave me a whole ton of credits. So I thought it would be really cool to have these picked out for me. So you know, you've probably seen those videos that's like, I gave a stranger my money or I let a stranger shop for me and things like that. Well, that's kind of what I did with these. And it actually made it a lot easier because I did have all the credits, so really there was like no money that had to like be exchanged. I believe it was only like 13 bucks or something like that. But come on, 13 bucks for 2 pairs of shoes? I really hope I'm gonna like them. Well, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna like them, but you never know. So you guys are probably dying to know who picked these out for me. Now, as most of you guys know, I did recently move. I'm in a completely different neighborhood, so I don't really know anybody. So it was not that hard for me to choose somebody to do this for me. So I actually went with our neighbor, not Pat. I didn't ask him because he actually knows me, we work together, that kind of stuff, that wouldn't be fair. So I actually went with my other neighbor, who choking on my own, who actually asked if he could remain anonymous, which is okay. I totally understand and respect people's wishes with social media and YouTube and all that kind of stuff. I'm just happy that he was gracious enough to do this because he didn't have to take the time out of his day to like go on Shoe Dazzle and like, you know, search around for some boots. So thank you so much. If you are watching this, you know who you are. Thank you so much. Okay, so I have 2 Shoe Dazzle boxes here. They are quite big, so I am assuming they are boots because it is winter and whatnot. So, are we ready to go into these boxes? So, which one should I do first? This one, oh, I can't look at this. No, this is the thing that's gonna tell me what they are. So, okay. I don't know if I should go into this one here, this one's the bigger one, or if I should go into this one that's a little bit smaller. Let's go into this, let's save the biggest for last, okay? So I'm opening the box. You guys can see first if there is anything to see. Ready? Are they beautiful? Are they absolutely gorgeous? What are they? Come on, tell me, tell me, tell me. I'm just kidding. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. These are absolutely gorgeous. Oh my, are you seeing that? They are beautiful. But anyways, look how beautiful these are. These are like work boots, but with like a super sexy feminine touch to them. They have a fur lining around the top part of the boot, which is absolutely gorgeous. They have a darker brown platform on the front of the shoe and a nice stiletto heel on the back. I wonder what size these are. Okay, you got the right size, they're 8s. These are going to be gorgeous! And just to share a little secret with you guys, when I get shoes, like nice, fancy, sexy ones like this, I always put them back in the plastic protective bag and then store them in their box. I find it just keeps them better. Like sometimes if you don't wear shoes all the time, they can kind of like, the material it's made of can kind of get crappy. And I find that if you just, you know, keep them nice and secure and tight and packaged real good, you don't have to worry about that. So there's the first pair. They are absolutely gorgeous. I love them. Oh, I may be speaking too soon right now, but if you guys are really liking this, like a stranger does blah for me, let me know down in the comments, because I would probably be down with doing a stranger buys my clothes. I think that would be really fun. And I also really want to do my husband or my hubby or my fiance, whatever, my significant other buys my clothes. And if you guys are into that, let me know, because I will get on that right away. I think that would be so exciting to do, because this is like so exciting, and the person is like not really like in my life, but you know, we're neighbors. Probably in like 6 months from now, we'll probably have a little bit of like an acquaintanceship. It's like a few steps from a friendship, but anyways, let's get into this second box. This is the bigger box of the two, so I am really excited to see what's in here actually. Okay, so again, let you guys see instead of me. Where's there it is. So this is what it is. What are they? Can you tell? Oh, I think, oh, they're boots, like high boots. Okay. So they're like a, I don't even really know what to call this, like an olivey, greeny, gray kind of color. I'm not sure. It comes off kind of like gray, but it also comes off kind of like olivey greeny gray, so I'm not 100% sure. These are over the knee boots because they do have that slit right there in the back, but I don't know how I feel about these ones though. They are don't get me wrong, they're gorgeous. I'm not being like ungrateful or anything like that. I think they are beautiful. I just don't know if I, you know, would wear them or not. I don't know. You guys let me know what you think of these and if you like them, if you think they're gonna suit me and my style. I don't know. I do like them, but I don't know. I'm just stumped. I'm stuck. I don't know. Okay, let's just get off that topic. So here's the other one. They're pretty, but I'm just afraid that there might be a pair of boots out there that I might wear more often. I don't know. Please let me know, guys. What do you think? Do you like them? Are they awesome? Maybe they are good to keep because then I have a pair of thigh highs that I can wear with like black tights because they're not like a black boot over like black tight. I think even with these ones here being kind of a, I'm not sure. Mind you, I haven't tried any of them on yet. As you guys seen, I pulled them straight out of the packaging and everything right with you. So I haven't done like the try on aspect, but when you're watching this, there will be like the try on thing on the screen somewhere. So I guess this concludes the stranger buys my shoes. I just thought it would be really fun and cool and neat to have like a funky little twist on it. And I had a great time. I'm very proud of myself that I actually held off on not opening the package. So good on you, Amanda. Oh, thanks. So don't forget to let me know if you are liking this kind of somebody else buys my whatever, because I like it. I had a ball. Let me know what you think about these here. I think like now that I look at them again that they're starting to grow on me, but still let your girl know, okay? And come on people, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button because you're not gonna wanna miss all of the crazy, cool, fun, fantastic video ideas I have for 2018. Ooh, I'm so excited. I'm so ready. 2017 was just a building block for me and I am set for 2018. So you best be looking out 2018 because I'm coming for ya. If you love shoes and love unboxings, give this video a thumbs up. And with all of that being said, I love you guys so much. And I will see all of your beautiful faces in my next video. Bye guys.
Great, actually, now that I'm thinking about it, I can see the comments. Oh yeah, sure, you didn't have anybody pick them for you, you bought them yourself. So I don't want any of those crazy comments because you're just wasting your typing fingers time, okay?